Hey, and we are back with another video from RedTrack. My name is Paulina, and I'm a content producer at RedTrack. But today we're trying out something new, and we're going to do a video product update. We've never done it before, so let us know if that's something you like and you will enjoy this format. But before we start with the updates, I wanted to remind you that we recently released a Facebook conversion tracking guide where we share all of our experience with Facebook ad tracking and conversion attribution, and also share a bunch of tips and tricks on how to work with the new conversion API things. So I will leave a link in the description and make sure to check it out and use it for your benefit with Facebook ads. But now I will be joined by someone special to tell you more about updates from RedTrack. Hello, let's welcome Vanda.
Hello, I'm the head of customer care team in RedTrack, and today me and Paulina will be helping you with the new features walkthrough.
Great. So let's start with the first feature, and it's gonna be Bing Auto Cost Update.
Yeah,
And
a nice feature.
I think it would be great if you showed it to us.
Yeah, of course. So those who work with Bing will be happy about this new feature because it allows to receive costs directly from Bing. So you don't have to care about cost being accurate. Everything will be done on the API side. What needs to be done? First of all, of course, you have to add your traffic source, Bing. But those who are waiting for this feature, who were waiting for this feature, already have it. Just in case, we have a template, of course. It contains all the necessary parameters already. And what is important, once you add Bing, you have to add your Bing account ID. It can be found in your Bing account. Once you add it, you press connect. After pressing connect button, you will be redirected to Bing. Just accept everything. Once you accept, you will be returned to RedTrack and integration will become active. That's it. Once everything is integrated, costs will be sent to your RedTrack account automatically, and it can also be checked in your cost updates logs here. It will be a campaign name, source ID, and the amount sent to RedTrack. That's it. Very easy.
Okay, that's great. Now let's talk about conditional postback.
Oh yeah, also very nice feature. We already had conditional postbacks for traffic sources from available from templates. Right now, it's also available for traffic source for integrated traffic sources. I mean, those who are integrated with the API. So, for example, Facebook. You don't want to send all conversion events to Facebook. You just want to send, let's say, subscription event for the optimization. And other events, you just want to see them in RedTrack. So you can just go to your campaign settings, go to the integration postback section, enable it, of course, and choose the event you want to send to Facebook. That's it. Only this event will be sent to Facebook or to Google or to Bing, any of these three API integrated traffic sources.
All right. I think a lot of users requested this feature in our Facebook group. By the way,
Yeah.
follow us and subscribe to our Facebook group. So that's a very nice one to have. And the third feature today is, which one is that? Give me a second. Okay, so it's additional tracking parameters, plus 10, as far as I know. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yep. It's very easy. I don't think there is a need to show. Everyone who is working with sub IDs will be happy because before that we had just 10 sub IDs. Right now we have 20. So it's even more. For example, those who work with maybe Google UTM parameters, they can use 10 sub IDs for additional Google tracking parameters such as ad ID, campaign name, etc. And also add UTM parameters to the link and also have them tracked in RedTrack and use it in a campaign, for example, for a better optimization, anything. So just more tracking parameters. The more the better.
So then the next feature we're going to talk about today is manual cost update by sub ID.
Yes, Palina, it's a very nice feature. For those who work with the traffic sources who do not support automatic auto cost update, it's nice to have a possibility to update costs manually. And right now we have extended this feature, and you can update cost based on some particular sub ID value. So for example, you receive some maybe ad ID in sub values, and you want to update costs only for some particular ad ID like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is now available with RedTrack. Just choose the target campaign, press update costs, set the time range, set the value, for example. This is the value that is set for the whole clicks within this period. It's important. After that, choose the sub value. For example, let it be ad ID in our case, and set the exact ad ID value. So it can be some number. In general, you should know the ad ID information you're updating, but you can also find it in your click logs in RedTrack. So that's it. You press apply, and this amount will be distributed between all clicks that have this sub ID value.
Nice. I think even I understand now what it's about because it wasn't very clear for me.
Oh, that's awesome.
So next feature is Click ID in Conversion API logs.
Those who work with logs is a very powerful source of information, of course, but it contains only raw data. So just to make it easier for you to find some particular click or conversion, in this case, we have added one more additional column, which contains RedTrack Click ID. It's in Conversion API logs here. So here you can check campaign ID. It's RedTrack campaign ID. You can check campaign name, traffic source ID. It's also RedTrack traffic source ID. You can check RedTrack click ID. Ref ID is the click ID from your traffic source. In this case, is Google. But if you work with Facebook, it will be Facebook information. So that's it, just for your convenience. And you can also search by the click ID. So for example, if you put it here, you will have only information about this particular click.
Then we had a big clickbank update. Maybe you can tell us more about it.
Oh yes, this is really nice update because before our clients were struggling with working with ClickBank and some other affiliate network, for example, and Facebook, this combination, because ClickBank instant notification tool did not allow to place some custom postbacks. So we had to place conversion types, only specified conversion types here, like it was sale, upsell, and it could not be different. But right now, you can add absolutely any name. So for example, if you work with Facebook, you can add page view, purchase, anything. And the only thing you need to do for us to accept ClickBank event correctly and attribute it is to set the mapping. Of course, you put your secret key, your ClickBank secret key, and attribute your custom conversion types, those you have set here in conversion tracking, to ClickBank events. So for example, your ClickBank sale is your, let's say, renew in our case. Your ClickBank upsell is reactivate, for example. Once you do this, you press save and you're all set. Like that, you will receive conversions from ClickBank. They will send us the conversion information with the help of instant notification. You still can name your conversion, your custom conversion events the way you want here, the way you need actually, and send those custom conversion types to Facebook. So like that, it makes everything just easier.
All right. That's I think a great thing to have while working with ClickBank as your affiliate network.
Yes. A lot of people were waiting for this, so we are happy to introduce it finally.
So we covered all of our core tracking features that we released lately, and now it's time to move to features in Publisher Panel. But first, I think it would be a great idea if you could tell us a bit more what is Publisher Panel and how marketers can use it for their benefit.
Yeah, of course. Publisher Panel, it's a very powerful tool. It can be very useful for those clients who work with affiliates, with their own affiliates, or with direct publishers. That's why it's called Publisher Panel. So basically, with those who will run traffic to your offers. So it can be treated as a tool to build your affiliate network, or also can be very useful for direct advertisers who want to work with publishers directly. And with the Publisher Panel, your affiliates will have a separate reporting tool with statistics, with access to the links, to the tracking links, of course, with creatives, everything. And I guess now we will tell you a bit more about the newly released awesome features regarding Publisher Panel.
So listen close if you are starting your affiliate program. I think our Publisher Panel covers a lot of functionality that you might need for it. And the first feature, and probably the biggest one from those that we released lately, is coupon tracking. Wanda, what can you tell us about it?
Yeah, coupon tracking allows you to assign a unique coupon for each of your affiliates, your publishers. And once they start running the traffic, this coupon code should be present in the link. So for example, you work with some influencers, and our system will recognize this coupon and attribute it to the correct publisher. How this can be done? Assuming you already have your white label set and your publishers edit, I will show you, for example, how this can be done on a publisher site. So this is a coupon, but it doesn't necessarily have to be some unreadable ID. So it can be Vanda test, let's say. Yeah. Once you have added a unique coupon for some publisher, you also need to set this on a campaign level. So it will be like affiliates. Go to details for publishers, and you see there is a coupon field. Leave this pub token here, and this one is what will be added to because pub token is what we have just set for a publisher, and 20 off is a customizable thing, so it can be like 10 off or 15 off. Let's say 15 off. Cannot be off, it can be just 15, but just for testing, let's do it like this. So close, save, And let's go to the publisher. I will show you how it looks like on the publisher side. So this is the panel the publisher sees. If you will go to campaigns, here it is. This is the coupon. Vanda test is what we have set on the publisher side. 15 off is what we have set on the campaign level. So basically, publisher can copy this coupon, add it to the tracking link, and you will have correct statistics about conversions that this publisher has brought you with the traffic.
So basically, this feature makes it easy for advertisers to find conversions that were made by certain affiliates, right?
Yeah.
And the next feature in Publisher panel is Publisher alias pub ID. What is that?
It's also a very nice feature, of course. If you will go to the publisher settings, there is a field alias. So here you set some readable name for your publisher to be able to identify which publisher it is, because if there is no alias, there will be only this difficult to read ID. Of course, it's easier to work with names. Once you have set the alias, you need to enable publisher alias in your white label settings. It's set here, show alias ID, and use alias as ID. Once done, a publisher tracking link will look a bit different. So for example, here it is. And you see there is a pub ID and it contains a readable name, Vanda 123. It's easier for a publisher to and easier for our clients to use this link and to identify what publisher brought this or that conversion.
And the last feature that we're going to cover in Publisher panel is customizations. I think there are a bunch of them.
Everything can be set in the white label settings. You have now two sections, payment request and customize emails. Payment request is if you want your publishers to be able to request a payment from the panel, you can set it here. So you change settings, choose the available payment method. For example, you pay your publishers only by PayPal or Wire, or you want to choose several. You choose the type of notifications. The best option is, of course, a webhook, but you can also do it with an email. That means that we will send you the notification about this payment request to some webhook or to your email if you will choose the email. Once you set it, your publishers will be able to, for example, they see that there is, I don't know, $100 already and they want it to be paid, they can make a request. But it's, of course, up to you if you will pay, if you will accept this request or you want to postpone it.
I wouldn't accept it.
Another option is also customize login and sign up page. A lot of clients were requesting it, so you can change the login page title. You can change the subtitle, sign up title, and sign up subtitle, of course. It's basically what your publishers see before they log in. Just a page with your logo, and there is an email and password field. And the most important, I think, update is customize emails. It's the email notifications we send to the publishers. You can customize sign up request, sign up successful, password reset, a new campaign created, new campaign status changed. The template is the same. You can update the preview. Sorry, preview is the combination. You can update the subject, greeting, body, and signature. So subject, for example, add custom new campaign. Could be like new campaign available, or new offer available will be better. Greeting, it's the body. So for example, hello dear publisher. You can use a dynamic value for publisher name. So we will add the publisher name automatically. So it can be something like, hello publisher, we are happy to let you know that there is a new awesome offer available for promotion, etc. The same as with the body, and signature, it's just the footer of your letter. Press add, and the new notification will be sent to your affiliate, to your publisher. The same with any other email here. Sign up, password, new campaign status changed.
Guess that was all the features that we wanted to cover today. I hope it was useful and helpful, and I hope Vanda was a nice addition to this video, because usually I'm alone in videos, and this time Vanda made a company for me. So let us know what you think about this format, and if we should continue doing product updates with Vanda. And yeah, thank you for joining us.
Yeah, thank you, Polina. Thank you, everyone, for your attention. And if you have any questions, you know where to find us.
So thank you for watching this video, and let us know how you like this format. Would you like us to do more of the video product updates with our team members? And even if you don't like it, still like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave any feedback that you want to share with us in the comments. See you in the next videos.